The Yeppoon Lagoon is the centrepiece for the Yeppoon Foreshore precinct on the beautiful Capricorn Coast, Central Queensland. I'm Mary Carroll from the Regional Tourism Organisation. This 2,500 square metre resort-style lagoon pool is located right on the beachfront and includes a shallow children's play area, an informal lap swimming area and a swim-up infinity edge with stunning views over the Keppel Islands and the southern Great Barrier Reef. The surrounding parklands include barbecues and shade areas, great for picnics or a relaxing way to while away an afternoon with stunning views under the tropical foliage. Nearby Appleton Park is a fully fenced and shaded children's playground that offers almost endless activities for the kids. The Yeppoon Foreshore also boasts a Keppel Kraken. Set against the spectacular backdrop of Keppel Bay, it's the ideal place to soak up some sunshine on the beautiful Capricorn Coast.